Hello friends, welcome to Art with Aruna, and today we will learn divisibility rule for number 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81 and 91. Let's start. Divisibility rule for number 21 contains two steps. Step 1. Multiply last digit by 2 and then subtract from remaining number. Step 2. Repeat step number 1 till we get 0. Let's check whether the number 1,38,537 is divisible by 21 or not. So what we need to do? Here we are dividing this number by 21 and this 2 of this 21 is very important. So here what we need to do? Here we need to multiply the last digit of the given number. So here last digit of the given number is 7. So what we need to do? We need to multiply this 7 by 2. So here 7 cross 2, that is 14. And now we need to subtract this 14 from this remaining number. So here we will subtract 14. So here 13 minus 4, that is 9. 4 minus 1, that is 3. Here 8, 3 and 1. Now again we need to repeat this step number 1. We need to multiply the last digit of the number, that is 9, and we need to again multiply this 9 by 2. So here 9 2s are 18. Now we need to subtract this 18 from the remaining digits. So here this is 13, this is 7. So 13 minus 8 is 5. 7 minus 1, that is 6. Here 3 and here 1. Again we need to repeat this step 1. So here last digit of the given number is 5. We need to multiply this 5 by 2. 2 times 5 is 10. We need to subtract this 10 from the remaining digit. So here 6 minus 0, 6. 3 minus 1, 2. Here 1. Now we got the number 126. Again we need to multiply this last digit by 2. So here 2 times 6 is 12. So here we need to subtract this 12 minus 12, that is 0. So here finally we got 0. So we need to stop our process here. Finally we got 0 here. It means this given number 1,38,537 is completely divisible by 21. And if we want to know what is the quotient here, so here we can find out the quotient through this method. So here we need to go from the bottom to up. So here you can see that this number 6, 5, 9 and 7 is the exact quotient of our number. So here our quotient is 6, 5, 9 and this 7. Divisibility rule for number 31 contains two steps. Step 1. Multiply last digit by 3 and then subtract from remaining number. Step 2. Repeat step number 1 till we get 0. Let's take 21,483 is divisible by 31 or not. So here this 3 is very important in this 31. We need to keep in mind this 3. So what we need to do? Here we need to take the last digit of the given number, 3 in our case. So we need to multiply this 3 by 3. So here 3 by 3, that is 9. We need to subtract this 9 from the remaining number. So here is 18. 18 minus 9, 9. Here 3, here 1, here 2. Again we got a number. So we need to take last digit of this number, that is 9. We need to multiply this by 3. So here 9 by 3, that is 27. So we need to subtract this 27 from this 213. So let's subtract this. This will be 0. This is 13. 13 minus 7, 6. Here 1, here 10. So 10 minus 2, 8. Here 186. We need to take this last digit, that is 6. And again we need to multiply this 6 by 3. So here 3 times 6, that is 18. Now we need to subtract this 18 from this 18. So here 18 minus 18, that is 0. And finally we got 0 here. So we can stop our process here And we can say that this 21,483 is completely divisible by this 31. And if we want to know the answer for this question, so here is our answer. That is, we need to go from bottom to up and we need to circle these numbers. This 6, this 9 and this 3. So our answer is 693. Divisibility rule for number 41 contains two steps. Step 1. Multiply last digit by 4 and then subtract from remaining number. Step 2. Repeat step 1 till we get 0. Let's take the number 3,07,172 is divisible by 41 or not. So here this 4 is very important in 41. We need to keep in mind this 4. So what we need to do? We need to take the last digit of the given number. So here in our case 2 is the last digit of the number. So we need to multiply this 2 by 4. So here 2 by 4 is 8. We need to subtract this 8 from the remaining number. So here this is 0, this is 17. So 17 minus 8, that is 9, 0, 7, 0, 3. So here again we got a number. Again we need to take the last digit of the number and multiply it by 4. So 9 is the last digit in our case. So we need to multiply this by 4. So 9 cross 4, it is 36. We need to subtract this 36 from the remaining number. So here it is 10 minus 6, that is 4. 6 minus 3, 3, 0, 3. Now again we got a number. So we need to take the last digit 4 in our case. Let's multiply this by 4. 4 cross 4, it is 16. We need to subtract the 16 from this 303. So here it is 13, here it is 10 and then 9, here it is 2. So here 13 minus 6, it is 7, here it is 8 and here it is 2. Now we got 287, last digit of this number is 7. We need to multiply this by 4. So 7 cross 4 is 28. We need to subtract this 28 by this 28. Here 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So finally we got 0 here. It means this number 3,07,172 is completely divisible by this 41. And if we want to know the answer for this question, we need to go from bottom to up. And we need to circle this 7. Here we need to write this 4. Let's write here this 9 and then this 2. It means the solution for this question is 7,492. Divisibility rule for number 51 contains two steps. Step 1. Multiply last digit by 5 and then subtract from remaining number. Step 2. Repeat step 1 till we get 0. Let's take the number 1,88,598 is divisible by 51 or not. So here to check this 5 is very important in this 51 and we need to keep in mind this 5. So here first of all we need to take the last digit of the given number. And here in our case 8 is the last digit. So what we need to do? We need to multiply this 8 by 5. So here 5 times 8 is 40. So what we need to do next? We need to subtract this 40 from the remaining number. So here 9 minus 0, 9. 5 minus 4, 1. Here it is 8, 8, 1. Again we got a number. So we need to repeat the process. We need to take the last digit 9 in our case. Let's multiply this 9 by 5. So 5 times 9 is 45. Now subtract this 45 from the remaining digit. So here it is 7, it is 11. 11 minus 5, it is 6. 7 minus 4, 3. Here it is 8. Here it is 1. Again we got a number. Take the last digit of this number, that is 6. Multiply this 6 by 5. So 6 times 5 is 30. Now we need to subtract this 30 from the remaining digit. So here 3 minus 0, 3. 8 minus 3, it is 5. Here it is 1. Now we got number 153. Last digit is 3. Let's multiply this 3 by 5. So here 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract this 15 from this 15. So here 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus 1 0. Finally we got 0 here. It means we need to stop our process here, and the number 1,88,598 is completely divisible by this 51. And we want to know the answer. Again we need to go from bottom to up. We need to circle these numbers, that is 3, 6, 9, 8. 3, 6, 9, 8. It means the solution for this question is 3698. Divisibility rule for number 61 contains two steps. Step 1. Multiply last digit by 6 and then subtract from remaining number. Step 2. Repeat step 1 till we get 0. Let's check whether the number 2,87,066 is divisible by 61 or not. So here the 6 is very important in this 61. Keep in mind. So here what we need to do? We need to take the last digit of the number. So here this 6 is the last digit of our number, and we need to multiply this 6 by 6. So here 6 cross 6, that is 36. So here we need to subtract this 36 from the remaining number. So here 6 minus 6, 0. Here it is 10 minus 3, it is 7. Here 6, 8, 2. We got a number. So we need to take the last digit and we need to multiply the last digit by 6. So here 0 is the last digit in our case. So we need to multiply the 0 by 6. So 0 cross 6, 0. We need to subtract the 0 from the remaining digit. So here it is 7 minus 0, 7, 6, 8, 2. Again we got a number. Take the last digit of the number and multiply it by 6. So here we need to multiply this 7 by 6. So 7 by 6, it is 42. We need to subtract this 42 from 286. So here 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. Here it is 2. Here we got 244. Again take the last digit, that is 4, and we need to multiply this 4 by 6. So here 4 by 6, that is 24. We need to subtract this 24 from this 24. So 24 minus 24, that is 0, 0. So here we got the 0. It means we need to stop the process. It means the given number 2,87,066 is completely divisible by 61. And if we want to know the answer for this question, again we need to go from bottom to up. We need to circle the digits 4, 7, 0 and 6. That is 4, 7, 0 and 6. So the solution for this question is 4706. Divisibility rule for number 71 contains two steps. Step 1. Multiply last digit by 7 and then subtract from remaining number. Step 2. Repeat step 1 till we get 0. Let's take the number 56,942 is divisible by 71 or not. So here this 7 is very important in 71. Now what we need to do? We need to take the last digit of the given number, that is 2 in our case. We need to multiply this last digit by 7. So here 7 times 2 is 14, and now we need to subtract this 14 from the remaining digit. So here we need to subtract 14. So 4 minus 4 is 0, 9 minus 1, 8, 6, 5. Now here we got a number and the last digit of this number is 0. We need to multiply the 0 by 7. So here 0 cross 7, it is 0. And now we need to subtract the 0 from the remaining digit, that is the number as it is here. Now here again we got a number. So take the last digit of this number, that is 8. Multiply this 8 by 7. So here 8 cross 7, it is 56. Now we need to subtract this 56 from this 56. So 56 minus 56, that is 0. It means we need to stop our process here. It means this number 56,942 is completely divisible by 71. And if we want to know the answer for this question, so we need to go from bottom to up. We need to circle this 8, this 0 and this 2. So we got the answer 802. Divisibility rule for number 81 contains two steps. Step 1. Multiply last digit by 8 and then subtract from remaining number. Step 2. Repeat step 1 till we get 0. Let's check whether the number 2,44,863 is divisible by 81 or not. So here this 8 is very important in 81. Keep in mind. So first of all, we need to take the last digit of the given number and we need to multiply it by 8. So here 3 is the last digit in our case. So we need to multiply this 3 by 8. So here 3 cross 8 is 24. And now we need to subtract this 24 from the remaining digits. So here let's subtract this 24. Here it is 6 minus 4, it is 2. 8 minus 2, it is 6. 4, 4, 2. Now again we got a number. Take the last digit of this number, that is 2. Again multiply this 2 by 8. So 2 cross 8 is 16. Now subtract the 16 from the remaining number, that is 6 minus 6, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 and here 2. Again we got a number and the last digit of this number is 0. We need to multiply this 0 by 8. So here 0 cross 8 is 0. We need to subtract this 0 from the remaining digits. So here it is 3, it is 4, it is 2. Again we got a number. Take the last digit of this number, that is 3. We need to multiply this 3 by 8. So here 3 cross 8, it is 24. Now we need to subtract this 24 from this 24. So 24 minus 24, it is 0. So finally we got 0 here. It means we need to stop our process and it means this 2,44,863 is completely divisible by this 81. And if we want to know what is the answer for this question, we need to go from bottom to up. We need to circle this 3, this 0, this 2 and this 3. So here 3, this 0, this 2 and this 3. So finally answer for this question is 3023. Divisibility rule for number 91 contains two steps. Step 1. Multiply last digit by 9 and then subtract from remaining number. Step 2. Repeat step 1 till we get 0. Let's check whether the number 2,44,335 is divisible by 91 or not. So here this 9 is very important in 91. Keep in mind. So to check the divisibility by 91, first of all we need to take the last digit of the given number, that is 5 in our case. We need to multiply this 5 by 9. So here 5 times 9 is 45. Now we need to subtract this 45 from the remaining digit. So let's subtract this. So here it is 13. 13 minus 5, it is 8. Here it is 12. 12 minus 4, it is 8. Here it is 3, 4 and 2. Again we got a number, so we need to repeat this step 1. So take the last digit and multiply the last digit by 9. So 8 cross 9, that is 72. We need to subtract the 72 from the remaining digit. So let's subtract. Here 8 minus 2, 6. Here it is 13 minus 7, that is 6. Here it is 3, here it is 2. Again we got a number, so take the last digit of the number, multiply the last digit by 9. So 6 cross 9, it is 54. Now subtract this 54 from the remaining number. So here 6 minus 4, 2. Here it is 1. Here it is 13. 13 minus 5, it is 8. Here it is 1. Take the last digit of this 82, that is 2. Multiply this 2 by 9. So here 9 cross 2, that is 18. Now subtract this 18 from this 18. So 18 minus 18 is 0 here. So finally we got 0 here. It means the given number 2,44,335 is completely divisible by 91. And if we want to know the answer of this question, what we need to do? We need to go from bottom to up. We need to circle this 2, this 6, this 8 and this 5. And we need to write down this number, that is 2, then 6, then 8 and then 5. So finally the answer for this question is 2685. Thanks for watching friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. Thank you.